Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to KT Sessions, and in this session we are going to talk about keyboard shortcuts in Blue Prism. If you want to read any post or if you need any uh, content on Blue Prism, you can check out our blog. Link is given in description box. Okay, so first shortcut is tab, shift plus tab and control plus tab. I think we all are aware of these types of shortcuts, and if we want to move the focus on the next element, we use tab, and if we want to move focus back to the previous element, we use shift plus tab, and if we want to change the tabs, means if we are using Chrome and we want to switch to another tab, then we use control plus tab. Similarly, we can use these shortcuts in Blue Prism as well. Let me show you. If we press tab, we can see the focus is moving to the next element. Okay, let's move to the next shortcut, which is shift plus 10 and space key. So let me show you the space key, and if we press space key, it will select the highlighted element or the focus element. Next one is dismiss. If we want to close any window, we use escape key. And if we go to the process studio, we can see a lot of shortcuts are available. If we want to select a stage, we can use function keys, F2, F3, like that. Just press the function key. No need to move, no need to go to left hand side and select the stage. Just press a shortcut key. Similarly, we have cut, copy, paste shortcuts, which we all are familiar. And for running the board, also we have some shortcut keys for debugging. Like if we can press F5 to run on the board, and we can use shift plus function 11 keys for step out. Similarly, we have for step over function 10. Next, also there are some another useful shortcuts. Enter to open the selected process, delete to delete the stage, left arrow, right arrow, and all. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do let me know if you have any doubt in Blue Prism. I will be create a video on it. Thanks for watching my videos, guys.